Welcome back to Royal Wheels, where we bring you the latest and greatest in heavy machinery and vehicles. Today, we've got an absolute beast on our hands, the 2025 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer. If you're someone who's into powerful, durable machines that can handle the toughest jobs, you're in for a real treat. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 D12 Bulldozer stand out in the world of heavy equipment. The Caterpillar D12 is designed to tackle the most demanding tasks on construction sites, mining operations, and any other heavy-duty environments. This machine is a true powerhouse, offering incredible strength, precision, and versatility. With an upgraded engine and enhanced performance features, the D12 Bulldozer is built to get the job done faster, safer, and more efficiently than ever before. One of the standout features of the 2025 D12 is its new engine. Caterpillar has equipped the Bulldozer with a next-generation C18 diesel engine that delivers more horsepower than its predecessor. The engine generates an impressive 650 horsepower, giving the D12 the ability to handle the most challenging materials and terrain. Whether you're pushing through dense dirt, rocks, or sand, this bulldozer has the muscle to get the job done with ease. The 2025 D12 also boasts improved fuel efficiency, thanks to the updated engine and advanced fuel management system. This makes it more cost-effective to operate, especially on long shifts and large projects. Not only will you get the power you need, but you'll also get more work done with fewer refuels, which can save you time and money on the job site. In terms of design, the 2025 Caterpillar D12 features a reinforced and rugged frame built to withstand even the toughest working conditions. Its heavy-duty undercarriage is made to handle extreme pressure, ensuring maximum stability and durability. Whether you're on uneven ground or pushing through challenging obstacles, this bulldozer is designed to keep you moving forward. The blade is another key feature of the D12. Caterpillar has enhanced the blade's capacity and versatility, allowing it to move more material and achieve more precision in the work it performs. The wide, strong blade can be customized for different tasks, whether you need it for rough grading, excavation, or heavy pushing. The increased blade strength means that the D12 can take on larger volumes of material without breaking a sweat. Speaking of precision, the 2025 D12 comes with an advanced operator's cab that prioritizes comfort and control. The cabin has been redesigned with a larger, more ergonomic layout, giving the operator a clear view of the surroundings and the task at hand. The touchscreen interface and improved joystick controls make it easier for operators to manage the bulldozer's functions with pinpoint accuracy, and the air conditioning system ensures that the cabin stays cool, even in the toughest working environments. Safety is a top priority on the D12. Caterpillar has integrated several safety features to make sure the operator stays protected during operation. With enhanced visibility, advanced monitoring systems, and automated safety alerts, the 2025 D12 is designed to keep both the operator and the surrounding team safe. Additionally, the bulldozer includes rollover protection structures and reinforced structures to provide extra protection in case of unforeseen events. Another exciting feature of the 2025 D12 is its improved maintenance system. Caterpillar has made it easier for operators and technicians to access key components, reducing downtime for repairs and routine maintenance. With more straightforward access to the engine, hydraulic systems, and other critical parts, keeping this machine in top condition has never been easier. In conclusion, the 2025 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer is an incredible machine that combines power, precision, durability, and advanced technology to handle the toughest challenges in the field. With its new engine, improved fuel efficiency, enhanced blade capabilities, and operator-focused design, this bulldozer is built to push boundaries and deliver results. Whether you're working on construction, mining, or any other heavy-duty task, the D12 is the bulldozer that will help you get the job done. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest heavy machinery. Thanks for watching Royal Wheels.